Students across the country have begun an adventure with Twig Science Next Gen that will change their lives. Twig Science Next Gen is the only program in which students investigate phenomena by becoming scientists and engineers in engaging, unforgettable storylines. The program prepares your students for state science tests with assessments created by Stanford University's SCALE team. But most importantly, it prepares your students for STEM careers. Throughout Twig Science Next Gen, students take on over 30 STEM roles. They'll be chemists, astronomers, and coastal engineers. They'll go from working with a Hollywood special effects department to mapping real-life earthquakes as they happen all over the world. They'll engage with scientists and engineers from all walks of life, doing work they can relate to. No other program provides greater access and equity for diverse classrooms. Twig Science en Español is a complete program for bilingual and dual immersion classrooms. And there are additional multilingual films in Mandarin, Arabic, and more. With social and emotional learning threaded throughout, every student can successfully collaborate to deliver STEM projects they are truly proud of. And experience aha moments they'll never forget.
Whoa! That is cool. That is cool.